More than 1.3 trillion naira has been lost by investors in CBEX. For those of you wondering, Claudia, what are you talking about? What is CBEX? CBEX is a Ponzi trading platform that existed because it actually crashed yesterday, or was it the day before yesterday? Now guys, this video is not to scorn at some of you who invested in CBEX, but this video is to give you an advice on how you can find out if a trading platform is a Ponzi scheme or not. Alright, because no matter what anybody says, no matter the amount of money that people have lost and the tears they are putting out there on the street, anytime a new Ponzi scheme comes out, you will still see millions of people investing a lot of money into that. Now, even though a lot of people are crying they've lost money, I bet you a lot of investors still have made a lot of money from this. There are a lot of people that have actually, analyzed these Ponzi schemes and know when exactly they can queue into this to make a lot of money. But for those of you who just go into it believing in what they say, you would always go out from this Ponzi scheme crying as these people on the streets. Imagine this. A scheme comes up to you. If you invest 1 million, at the end of 30 days, I'm going to give you 2 million.
Now, CBEX promised users 100% return on investment in just 1 month. And Nigerian users were only allowed to invest in dollars. Can you imagine that?
Now, you do not see substantial evidence of what they are actually investing this money in, but you actually go and borrow money to put into this scheme because they are going to give you double of what you invested. This actually means that CBEX will double your investment after 30 days.
Why should you invest your money in something that is not realistic? So now I would advise the society, please and God, please be reasonable enough.
So there were people that actually queue into this with 100 million, some of them 50 million, some 1 million, some 500,000. And what happened at the end of the day? When they are satisfied, they would actually crash that system. Now, this is how these Ponzi schemes work. It's a network. They don't actually have the money to give you. What they do is they want to have you to recommend other people to them. So what they do is make you believe that this actually works, and then you will actually bring other people, because what they do is the more money you make in this Ponzi scheme is by the amount of people you refer. So you actually have a referral commission from the people you refer to this scheme. So what they do is, if they actually have 10 people, they will take this person's money, pay the other person, take this one's money, pay the other person. So it's a circle. They take your money, pay the next person, and it keeps going. And when they cannot do it anymore, they actually die out or go with the rest of the money. And their aim is not for you to make money. Their aim is for you to bring many people, so that when those people know that they can actually get their investment back, double of their investment, they're going to invest more. They first of all trap you with investing like 20k, 50k, 100k, and when they give you back that money in double, you would come back. Guys, no matter what anybody says, no matter the amount of tears you see on the streets, like the videos you've been seeing, people are still going to go back to these Ponzi schemes when a new one comes up. And there are no different people who do this. They just make sure they change the name. Today is CBEX, tomorrow may be another. I mean, there are a lot of Ponzi schemes out there. I just remember a week ago, a friend of mine sent me a message, oh, if you invest in this, we'll have double of your money. I just sent it back to him. I told him it's a Ponzi scheme. So if you're investing in it, know that it will crash at any time. I hope he's learned his example from CBEX. I'm not saying that they are not genuine trading platforms out there. There are, but you have to see how that trading is going. You have to see how your investment is being, how it is working. Don't just listen to what people say and you give the money, you go sit in the background and expect to get back that money. If money was that easy, nobody in this world would be working. Because the truth is, if I can give you 100 million now and you give me 200 million in 30 days, then what am I doing on YouTube? Really, what are the others doing, going to sites and doing all that? Everyone will be into this. What are they doing exactly to be able to double this money? These are the questions you should ask when anyone starts pitching this to you. Now, before I end this video, I want to tell you how you can actually make money out of a Ponzi scheme, which is a terrible idea. But for those of you that cannot do without Ponzi scheme, if there is a Ponzi scheme that is launched, the first thing, it is very risky, but if you're going into it, you should already know the risk involved. The first thing is that can crash at any time and you can lose your money. So the way you can make money out of a Ponzi scheme is immediately that Ponzi scheme is launched, you can go into it at that time, invest your money as much as you can, and then at the end of the month, when you take that double investment they've given you, run away. I mean, just jackpot, because you will feel bad if you actually introduce downlines and their money is taken. So what you do is just invest yourself, get your money as an evidence, and you kick out of that. But it might actually be launched today and it crashes today, depending on the amount of people who invest. So each time you're investing in anything, even trading, even the real trading platforms, each time you're investing your money, make sure you invest money that you know it will not affect you if you lose that money. Because it's a Ponzi scheme, means it can crash at any time, like CBEX. So anytime you want to invest your money, if you're doubting, if you're like, am I sure this is a Ponzi scheme or not, if the signs are not really clear to you, just make sure you invest money that when you lose that money, you won't have a problem. I mean, you won't feel it. All right? Do not go to take a loan to invest in Ponzi scheme. Don't try that. Do not take money from your business to invest in a Ponzi scheme. Don't try that. Because nobody knows except you are the one who has the Ponzi scheme. You know when you're planning to crash it. I mean, look at the amount of people on the street. 10 million naira, some are in dollars, thousands of dollars. I mean,
CBEX, a popular digital asset trading platform in Nigeria, has been revealed to be a Ponzi scheme after users reported being unable to withdraw their funds. Now, over the weekend, rumors spread about the platform's closure due to users' inability to access their money, although CBEX came out on social media and denied these claims and continued to assure their users that all was well. In the video you're about to watch, very short clip, these are the faces behind CBEX who were assuring users who were worried about these circulating rumors. Take a look, very short.
All this panic that some of you are panicking, you are giving yourself unnecessary.
These are people, some of them have taken their life savings, some of them have taken money from church houses, from banks, loans and all that, and look at what happened to them. There is a short video I dropped on this channel, is it a week ago, about CBEX being a Ponzi scheme, but I really didn't give highlights on it. I was planning to do a video. Unfortunately, it crashed before that. Guys, please be careful. Today is CBEX, tomorrow it will be another name. I mean, guys, just analyze it. What exactly are they doing to double your investment in 30 days? And the truth is, do not think that all these people who are crying didn't actually make money from this platform. Before they were able, to invest a lot in CBEX, they actually tried the first month and CBEX gave them double of their investment. But what they do is they take A's money and pays B, take B's money and pays C, take C's money and pays Z, and they keep turning in circles. When they've had a lot of investments, because when people know that, oh, it worked for this person, I gave 10 million, they gave me 20 million, they're going to invest the 20 million or even 50 million more. And when this Ponzi scheme realizes that you guys are investing more, or they've had a lot of investors, they now just slide out. I mean, just look at what is happening to people. And unfortunately, for those of you that have invested in this Ponzi scheme, one thing you need to know about the Nigerian law is it is against Ponzi scheme. So you even investing in that is a crime. So you trying to find out or going to court to file a case against those people and all that, know that you are also implicating yourself. So just take your time, analyze every trading platform that is brought to you so you will know if it is a Ponzi scheme or not. Now, I'm going to do a proper video on this channel, a long video breaking down step by step how you can know if this is a Ponzi scheme or not. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, click on that notification, comment and like, so that when I publish that video, you will be one of the first people to know. So anytime a trading platform is presented to you, you will be able to determine if it is a Ponzi scheme or not. I love you all. Take care of yourselves out there and avoid Ponzi scheme, or if you're investing, invest money that if it actually crashes, you would not have a problem losing that money. Love you all. Bye bye.